Hey guys, in this video I would like to show you what's new in the latest Tower for Mac release, as well as introduce you to Tower workflows. If you're a fan of stack branches, we think you'll enjoy this update. Alright, let's get started. If you visited the Tower website recently, you may have noticed this yellow banner announcing the stacked pull requests page. This is a popular branching workflow that more and more teams are adopting. On this page you can see what we have planned and sign up for the waitlist. By doing so, you'll receive notifications about any new updates. This is part of a more ambitious project called Tower Workflows, which allows you to create and customize your own branching workflows. You could use something like Gitflow as a starting point and tweak it. You could come up with something entirely from scratch, or embrace other popular workflows like the stacked pull requests workflow. For this to be possible, we focused on two big features for the Tower 12 release: branch dependencies and the restack branch action. Alright, let's see it in action. Okay, I've just launched Tower, which is a very basic project. I only have one file, index.html. As you see, only with some boilerplate here, nothing fancy. So let's get started. Let's create a new branch. Let's call this the new homepage. And as you're probably used to, nothing fancy here. You've checked out to the new branch. So what's new? Let's go here and enable the stack branches so that we get these nice branch dependencies. So you see here that Tower is asking you to type the name of the trunk branch. That's usually main. That's your main development branch, doesn't have a parent. And also it's asking you if you want to stack branches under the parent branch. We'll leave this on. You'll also see the difference between on and off. So let's click configure. And right now we don't see any changes yet, right? So let's create additional branches. Let's say create a new branch from new homepage. Let's say it's a header. And as you see, right now it's nested inside new homepage. If we go to the settings, you have this option right here. If you disable it, you'll see the usual branch configuration in the sidebar. But if you turn this on, we have this in a group. So let's create additional branches. Let's say a sidebar, also a footer. As you see right now, footer is checked out. So one of the cool things here, if you want to make a comparison, it will instantly detect the parent branch. So in this case, it's new homepage. If I go to the new homepage, you see it's actually detecting main as the parent branch. So yeah, let's make a change here in this new homepage branch so that we get a prompt to restack the child branches. Let's go here, open this with VS Code. Let's change the project title with a new title, hit save. And now let's stage these changes. Update project with a new title, commit. And as you see, Tower automatically tells you that these branches need restacking. So let's do that. So if we go here to footer, you'll see this yellow banner. We can click restack and it's instantly restacked. We could also do right click, restack header. That also works. Or you could use quick actions. Command-Shift-A, you type the name of the branch, in this case sidebar, hit right, then you go all the way to the bottom, restack branch. And voila, that's restacking. Another new feature in Tower 12 is this new welcome screen. As you can see on the right, we have our most recently accessed projects. On the left, you can create a repo, clone a repo, or open a project from an existing folder so that you can get started quicker. As usual, we've also made some other small improvements under the hood. Head over to our blog for more information about this release. We hope you enjoyed this update. If you already have a Tower account, switch to the beta channel to try it out. Happy stacking!